Are you looking for a seamless way to send and spend money internationally? Well, Wise, which was formerly known as TransferWise, is your go-to platform. Wise really simplifies global money transfers with mid-market exchange rates, low fees, and an easy-to-use app. So here's how to use Wise in the simplest way possible, even easier than most guides on the internet. Step 1. Open a Wise account. Just go to www.wise.com. You can use your email to sign up, or simply use your Google or Apple ID for instant access. Next, choose whether you're opening an individual or business account. One hidden trick is using your passport and utility bill together during verification for faster approval. This isn't mentioned on most websites. Alright, so step 2 is to set up your Wise account. Once you're inside, just head over to the Balances section and click on Open a Balance. Then, choose your preferred currency, like US dollars, euros, pounds, rupees, whatever you need. Wise will instantly generate international account details for you, like IBAN, SWIFT, sort code, and all that, so you can receive money globally without any hassle. Now, step 3 is how to use Wise for money transfer. Just click on Send Money, enter the amount and currency, and add your recipient's details. Wise actually supports sending to more than 80 countries. Oh, and always double-check if your recipient's bank supports fast transfers. Otherwise, there might be some delays. Also, make sure you choose the reason for transfer wisely, like reasons such as family support often get prioritized when processing. So, step 4 is all about how to use the Wise card. After you've set up your balance, you can go ahead and order a Wise card, which is available in supported countries. Next, just head over to the Cards tab, request your card, and once it arrives, you simply activate it through the app. You can instantly spend in any currency that's available in your Wise balance, and there are no conversion fees, which is pretty awesome. Plus, you can even link your Wise card to Google Pay or Apple Pay for super convenient contactless international shopping. Okay, here's an extra tip you probably won't find on the internet. When you're funding a transfer with your debit card, try using a card that's issued in the same country as the currency you're sending. It can actually speed up the whole process, which is super useful. If you ever need help, Wise customer support is honestly quickest on Twitter at Wise, especially on weekdays between 9 in the morning and 11 a.m. GMT. And for all the freelancers out there, you can use Wise's USD account to receive payments from US clients, and you don't even need PayPal for that. For all the features and the latest updates, just head over to wise.com. You'll find everything you need there. Using Wise is honestly one of the smartest ways to manage your international finances. It's simple, fast, and super transparent. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself.